Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by calibrating the meter. Follow the manufacturer charted solution and temperature notes. Once calibrated, rinse the probe in distilled water and blot dry. Do not rub. Now collect a midstream sample to avoid surface film or sediment. Pour into a clean container. Insert the probe and wait for readings to stabilize. You want consistent numbers over 10-30 seconds. Record TDS in ppm and EC in ms/cm, and note the sample temperature for accurate interpretation. Now interpret what you read. EC gives conductivity in ms/cm while TDS displays ppm, a conversion factor often 0. 5 or 0. 7 converts EC to TDS. If your meter lacks ATC, manually correct for temperature. Most corrections are per 1 degrees C from 25 degrees C. Once done, compare values to target ranges for hydroponics, pools, or potable water. Make note of trends, not single values, and log each sample with time and temperature. Finish by rinsing the probe and drying it before storage. Follow manufacturer storage guidelines to prevent membrane damage. Recalibrate weekly or whenever readings drift more than 3% from a known solution. Replace batteries and sensor cartridges as recommended. If readings are inconsistent, make sure the probe is clean and not fouled, check the calibration solution age and concentration, and verify temperature compensation is enabled. One key troubleshooting tip. If values jump erratically, clean the probe with mild detergent, then recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.